The new Mazda CX-60 is all about capturing a crafted, luxury feel. It is Mazda's flagship vehicle, and one that reflects its premium ambitions. This is evident on the exterior, through the long hood, which hides a longitudinally mounted engine, and the swept-back greenhouse, similar proportions to vehicles from BMW and other established luxury players. Mazda interiors have always been premium-focused, but the CX-60 takes things up a notch, with materials and textures such as maple wood, Napa leather, Japanese textiles, chrome details, and detailed instrument panel stitching. Of course, the combination of these are dependent on trim level, of which there are 4, a base prime line, mid-grade exclusive line, Takumi, and Homura high grades. The clean dashboard layout is headlined by a large 12.3-inch infotainment display, which is joined by a full-color TFT LCD instrument cluster display, as well as a head-up display, the last of which has a screen area 3 times larger than that of the CX-30. No shortage of equipment either, as there's a Mazda Connect infotainment system, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, dual-zone climate control, with rear vents, and all-seat heating, My Mazda app telematics, and an enhanced version of the Mazda Harmonic acoustic sound system, with an optional 12-speaker Bose setup. In terms of safety kit, the CX-60 debuts a new see-through view system that uses a 4-camera system to not only provide a 360-degree view of the vehicle, but also displays an image on the screen that seemingly allows the driver to see through the front and rear corners of the car from their viewpoint. The arrival of the CX-60 has introduced a range of new trim levels. Rather than Mazda's SEL and Sport grades, you'll be able to pick from exclusive line, Homura, and Takumi models. The entry-level model starts from £43,950 and is said to feature an extensive kit list. Homura costs £46,700 and gets body-colored wheel arch extensions rather than the black ones, fitted to entry-level models, plus a dark grille surround, 20-inch alloy wheels, and gloss black mirror caps. This model also features Mazda's driver personalization system, which recognizes the driver and sets their seat, climate control, mirror, and music settings automatically. Takumi is priced from £48,050, adding chrome trim and black alloy wheels. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.